Nestled in the picturesque surroundings of Four Lakes, Washington, when electrical issues arise, count on our dedicated team of electricians to provide prompt and reliable solutions. At Four Lakes Electricians, we understand the importance of keeping your home or business powered safely and efficiently. Electrical problems can disrupt your daily routine and compromise the safety of your property. That's why our skilled electricians are available 24/7 to address any issue, big or small. Whether it's a sudden outage, faulty wiring, or the need for new installations, we're prepared to tackle your electrical needs with professionalism and expertise. At Four Lakes Electricians, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're committed to delivering exceptional service with a focus on efficiency and attention to detail. From diagnostics and repairs to upgrades and installations, our goal is to ensure your electrical systems operate seamlessly and reliably. When you require dependable electrical repair and installation services in Four Lakes, Washington, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Call below number and let our team of skilled electricians provide you with the peace of mind you deserve, knowing that your electrical needs are in capable hands.